In this video today, I'm going to be going through some secret ways that I revive dead Instagram theme pages. If you have recently purchased or are coming back to an old theme page and you're wondering how do I revive this, you've come to the right place. Thank you guys for joining me for yet another video. I'm Ryan and I grow and monetize Instagram theme pages. I just wanted to state that I am not selling you guys a course anywhere in this video or any of my other videos in fact. All I ask in return for my advice is that you go down below, smash the like button and comment some video ideas for me. I'm always looking for new video ideas, so this will be really helpful guys. And while you're down in the comments, please drop your username of your theme page so I can review it in a future video. Right, enough rambling, let's get right into the meat of this video. So first of all, what is a dead Instagram theme page? A dead Instagram theme page is pretty much a theme page that's gone really inactive. People aren't viewing anymore, people aren't liking or engaging, and therefore the value of this page has completely gone down. Next, let's actually find out how you guys can spot a dead Instagram theme page. It's easy to spot if the engagement is down. You can spot the engagement being down by there being less likes on a post than it used to get, less comments and less people sort of sharing and saving. If people aren't using any strategies on their posts, this is a good sign of a dead theme page. This is because overall their page is not going to get enough views and not going to get enough likes as what they could get if they were using good strategies. A big killer of an Instagram theme page would be bad posting frequency. If you see a page and it's only posting between 1 or 2 times per day, this is not good enough to be honest. With any good theme page and any good theme page owner, they all should know that you should be posting between 3 and 5 times per day at least. Now you may be asking, how do I know if I should revive this Instagram theme page? If you can see that they've got barely any posts but they've got a good following, this is a good sign you should revive this page. Therefore it's got potential to go really upscaled. Here's an example of a page that I think is a bit dead but could be upscaled quite easily. I actually think about purchasing this page, so keep an eye out for that one guys. If you're sort of coming back to an old account you had before and you're wondering, should I just start from scratch or should I resume it and try and increase the engagement again? Think about positives and negatives. It will take a lot of effort to revive it, but it could be worth it in the end. But then if you're starting from scratch again, then you're going to lose a lot of followers for that. So sort of weighing up the negatives and the positives in that one. Now, if you're wondering if you should purchase a dead Instagram theme page, it actually could be a good idea. And here's why. They're a lot harder to grow, which is a negative, but they're going to be a lot cheaper because of that. If you're on a tight budget, I'd advise going for a dead Instagram theme page rather than one that's really popping at the moment. It's because if you know what you're doing and you watch my videos, you'll know how to revive it anyway. If you've got the time and energy to revive it and follow my steps in these videos, then you're going to be able to revive it very easily. So you want to purchase a dead one. But if you don't have much time and don't have much energy to do that, then advise purchasing a popping one at the moment. I think the most profitable niches to purchase pages in would be the fitness, motivation and business niches. This is because you can sell courses, dropship and do affiliate marketing and all that sort of stuff. Plus people want to follow these pages as they want to see tips on how to get rich, how to be motivated and how to be good at fitness and get fit. It's a lot like any other business, supply and demand, and the supply is not there as much, but the demand is very high for these sort of niches. Now guys, let's actually go through how to revive your dead Instagram theme page. But first, have you guys liked the video yet? Make sure you guys smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. This helps my videos get seen by more people and really does help my channel out. Thanks guys. So the first method that you are going to use to revive your Instagram theme page is going to be the follow strategy. It's a bit like Marmite. Some people like it, some people don't, but I think it works a gem. Pretty much you go onto a bigger theme page in your niche and you go onto their most recent post. Make sure they posted in the last half an hour to hour and go onto that post and see who liked it. And you must follow 150 of these per day, but do it in increments of 75 and 75 so you do not get action blocked. Get action blocked will make your page a whole lot harder to grow, so you do not want to get action blocked, so trust me on this one guys. Now you next want to do the $80 strategy, which is a bit adapted to my sort of way. You want to start off by, instead of leaving your 2 cents, which is a comment on 90 pieces of content per day, you want to start with 30. This is also to avoid action block, but also so you can do the follow strategy side by side with it. I see this as a way of doubling down on the amount of people you're reaching per day, which is a great thing, especially when you're reviving a page. So the things you should be commenting on these pages should be really positive things that add value to it. As I've said in previous videos, do not be commenting nothing like, oh,
nice post man, this is really great.
That's just stupid. Instead, comment things that actually add value onto it, like, oh, this is really great, but have you thought of this? It shows you have knowledge on the subject and therefore people are going to visit your page and more likely to follow you. So next off on the revival of your page, I would advise increasing your posting frequency. If you've bought the page or are coming back to it and you've realized people haven't posted in like a few days or are only posting like once a week, then you need to increase that massively. I advise increasing your posting frequency to between 3 and 5 posts per day on your feed and then 2 reels per day as well on top of that. I advise your feed posts to be at 9 AM, 12 AM, 3 p.m, 6 p.m, and 9 p.m, and I advise your reels to be posted at 4 p.m and 6 p.m. You should also be taking advantage of your story strategies as well. This is the poll strategy, the question strategy, and also the hidden hashtag strategy. This is what the poll strategy looks like. This is what the question strategy looks like. And then this is what the hidden hashtag strategy looks like. Talking about hashtag strategy, you should be developing a great one. In your hashtag set, there should be 30 hashtags, and each hashtag should be having between 10,000 and 80,000 posts. This is so that it has enough potential for you to grow using that hashtag, but not enough so the big pages overcrowd you and just push you to the bottom of the pot. Developing a great hashtag strategy is great. You also want to be using between 3 and 4 different hashtag sets in this. This is so you can keep switching between each sort of hashtag set and make it work. I advise for you guys to also be tagging locations in your post. This is because it could be seen by a wider range of people, because if someone searches for, say, the location Hawaii, and they click on that and they go into most recent posts and you've tagged Hawaii as your location, your posts are going to pop up for them. It's just a bit more of a low-key way of getting your posts sort of seen more by more people. The content that you are reposting should just be viral content. If I were you, I would not waste your time posting anything that hasn't gone viral on any other pages. Find viral content, you go onto a bigger page in your niche. I'm a MacBook, but you should hover over their posts, say if you're on desktop as well, and you can see which posts have performed better than the others. If you see one's performed better than the others, repost it and keep doing that. I want to touch on Reels a bit more now because they're great. You should be focusing mostly on Reels, I recommend, because they're what's going to blow your account up. I've had a Reel blow my account up from 0 to about 10,000 followers in a week. I think I hold the world record for that at the moment.
Ooh, you're hard, showing off.
Next, you want to sort of interact and get friendly with all the bigger pages in the niche. I find if a big page likes my post, then it performs better for some reason. And even if you can get them commenting your post, that's even better. To actually interact with these big pages, just send them a message, send them an email, even comment on their posts frequently. If you can get your foot in the door with a big page, chances are you're going to go far. Now, if you're wondering whether you should be generating cash flow from your page or just selling the page, which one will make you more money, here's the steps how to know. If you're finding that your page is making between sort of £100 and £1,000 per month, then I suggest staying with it and keeping it for cash flow. If your page is only making, say, £20, £30 per month, sell it and start flipping pages instead. And if you're wondering when's the right time to sell for my page, wait until you're at peak performance and then go around and DM all the bigger pages in the niche. Therefore, your page will be at its best and you'll be showing it at its peak for people to purchase, and you'll get the most money for it. If you're wondering how you can actually sell your page and how to do that successfully, here's how. You guys should be DMing bigger page owners. They're more likely to purchase than just someone random who's not in the same niche. Also, a great one to use is FameSwap. Just Google fameswap.com and it'll work. I recommend you DM bigger pages first, but if you literally want to get it done with and want to get it sold, FameSwap's your man for that. So yeah guys, repeat the process and make good money from this. Now this is the end of the video now guys, but I've noticed only about 10% of my viewers are actually subscribed. It would mean the world to me guys if you went down below and just smash the subscribe button. You can always change your mind and unsubscribe if you want. And last but not least, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Feel free to check out my most recent video by staying to the end of this one. I'll see you there guys. Cheers.